Hey everyone, as always, Dylan Miller Prospecting, and it is Paydirt review time. In fact, this will be my first review since my knee surgery. All the other ones I had pre-shot, and this is the first one where I get to try to stuff my leg underneath my table and pan out some Paydirt. So I'm pretty excited to get into some Paydirt because it has been calling to me in my sleep. It'd be nice to have something relaxing to do besides just laying in bed staring at the ceiling. So for today's video, I am going to be doing, and I went through my pile. I had a little stockpile going on, and I was trying to figure out what to do, which bag to go through. And I decided I'm going to do an eBay seller. His reviews are either hit or miss. He's got no real negative reviews, but he's got a couple neutrals and a couple positives, but nothing stellar, but it sounded interesting. So I'm going to go with that. It's an eBay seller, Rock Crushers Unlimited. So it's a $30 bag. And it's guaranteed a half a gram of gold. So I'm going to get right into it. I'm going to flash up a description, and then we're going to pan out some material and see if we can't find some gold. So let me flash up the description right here. So back at the table, and let's get into the Paydirt. It did come with a small vial as well as a small pipette, so those are included. It does state that in the description. Let's weigh it up. It is supposed to be 3 pounds and have a half a gram of gold in it. I can't tell if it's got the gold in it yet, but it is over 3 pounds, 3.3 ounces to be exact. And now I'm going to let you listen to some music while I classify this all down. There you go, all classified down, and pretty equal amounts. Maybe a little bit more in these two classifications, but not much. It's pretty equal amounts. Now, I was going to say, and in my mind, I was thinking that the whole time I was classifying this down, that I figured the majority of the gold I would find would be in the lower 3 classifications, just because it is only guaranteed a half a gram of gold. But I did see some gold in the plus 10, which makes me wonder how much gold am I going to find in these lower classifications. I don't know if you could tell, but it is very dusty material, so I'll be curious to see what that does to the water, and we will see that once I start panning. But for now, let's see how much black sands, and there is a lot of black sands in this. A good little bit. So we'll check out the other ones. Yeah, nice little bit. Even a little bit in the minus 10 plus 20. And I know I've been forgetting my magnet in the last couple of videos. Just the new setup's got me all discombobulated. But that's it. I'm going to go put this aside, get my water, move some cameras around, and we're going to start panning this out to see what kind of gold we get. And we'll see what kind of gold's in that plus 10. I already know there is some. We're going to find out what it is. So be right back. finished panning everything out, and let's just get to what I found. In the plus 10, I found nothing. Nothing at all. Even though I thought I saw something when I was classifying, it was just a piece of fool's gold or something else. There was no actual gold in the plus 10, so a little bit of a bummer. But like I said earlier, if I would have found something in there, it would have made probably what I found in the rest of the material a lot less, and that would have been disappointing as well. So in the minus 10 plus 20, I did find some gold. A nice little couple chunky pieces, so pretty happy with that. So starting to find gold, which is always good. And then I got to the minus 20 plus 40 and even more gold. A really nice pile of fine gold. So really happy with that. Can't complain. Finding gold. Add it to the table. Again, I am guaranteed a half a gram of gold. And that looks about a half a gram. It's not looking like it's going to be a huge amount over, but I'm finding gold. And then in the minus 40, again, even more gold. A nice pile of fine gold. So this is pretty fun material to actually go through. Found gold in every classification except for the plus 10, but it was a lower price bag, so I really didn't expect to find that much. It was only guaranteed a half a gram of gold. So let's just weigh it all up. See exactly what I got. In the minus 10 plus 20, 0.215. The minus 20 plus 40, 0.285. So right there is my half a gram of gold I was guaranteed. And then I have the really fine minus 40. It does look like enough to budge a scale. Not much, but it will budge a scale. There you go, 0.060. So let's just weigh it all up. And there you go. 0.555. So over the half a gram I was guaranteed, so pretty happy with that. And I'm going to be right back with my ROI and my review. All right, finished calculating my ROI, writing up my review, and let's get to it. Again, this was from Rock Crushers Unlimited, an eBay seller. It was 3-pound bag, guaranteed a half a gram of gold. Its cost was $30. Shipping was $7.50. So total cost for right here, $37.50. The gold I recovered out of that 3-pound bag, right here again, 0.555 grams of gold. Gold spot on the day this was received was $48.14, making this here's gold value $26.72, making my ROI 71.25%, or on my scale, a 7.1, which is really good. The guaranteed ROI on this bag is 64, or the day I purchased it anyway, the set ROI was 64.19%. So I actually got 6% higher than that. We're almost 7%, or a little bit over 7%. So pretty good. I was pretty happy with that. And in fact, with the fun factor, I'm actually going to bump it up to an 8. Because not only did I get more than the set ROI, it was pretty fun Paydirt to go through. It had a lot of fool's gold and other little types of things in there that made it a little difficult to pan out, where you thought you were seeing gold and it wasn't gold. So I'm bumping the fun factor up to 8. For Paydirt description, he's got a pretty good description, especially for an eBay seller. Typically, eBay sellers just put in a lot of disclaimers, but this one didn't have all that. It was pretty good. So I'm giving him an 8 for Paydirt description. For quantity and packaging, he's getting an 8 as well. It was over the 3 pounds and it came in a plastic bag. For customer service and shipping, he's getting a 10. It shipped out really quickly and he answered my questions really quickly as well. So all good there. So total score for Rock Crushers Unlimited 3-pound half-gram bag is an 8.2. So that's really good, especially for an eBay seller. You know, typically eBay sellers are in the bottom half. And this one was really good. So I was pretty happy with it. I would definitely go back and try this seller again, and I might have to in a couple months try out one of their other bags. So that's going to be it for today. I just need to flash up the score and give away a 24 karat gold plated dime. So let me flash up the score right here. Before I get to today's 24 karat gold plated dime winner, I need to give a shout out to one of my newest Patreon members, and that's James McLachlan. So James McLachlan, I hope I didn't butcher your name up too much, but thanks for joining my Patreon member, and thanks to all of my other Patreon members. Thank you all very much. And to thank all my subscribers, 24 karat gold plated giveaway. So let's do this. And this one's going to Larry Sylvester. So Larry Sylvester, make sure you email me so I can send this off to you. And everyone else, thanks for watching. Happy panning. And make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you can keep on getting all my videos.